Hi, everyone. I'm Jasmine, and welcome to Jasmine's Reading Corner. For today's Storytime storybook, I have a special book for all of you super young girls and boys who love construction sites, construction gear, construction equipment, construction trucks. The book we'll be reading today is Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Let's go! By Sherri Duskey Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. So now, let's begin. Bulldozer pushes on his thick, strong tread. And here we have the tread of the bulldozer, the stack, the engine, the scoop. The scoop is what pushes the dirt, and the bulldozer can pick it up as well. Mighty dump truck hauls dirt in his bed. And here we have the mighty dump truck and the bed, which hauls the dirt. The canopy covers the cab. The cab is where the person sits to operate the dump truck. And the wheels, right here. Steady crane truck, sure and strong, stretches his boom high and long. He lifts his load right off the ground. And here we have the boom. The wheels, the outrigger keeps the crane truck planted in the ground and balanced while they're lifting their load. And there's the cab where the person sits. Cement mixer spins concrete around. Inside his drum, it's rolled about. Then down the chute, he pours it out. So the cement mix goes through the hopper into the drum where it's mixed and then out the chute. And there's the horn saying, beep, beep, get out of the way. Cement is getting mixed and poured. Be careful. Excavator rolls on his bumpy track. He lifts his scoop and stretches back. The sun has set. He turns on his light. The sleepy moon smiles down. Good night. So here we have the boom and the scoop scooping the moon. So cute. And the light shining nicely and safely on the moon. And we also have the track. Is it me or is this a super cute young looking excavator? A young looking boy excavator or young looking adolescent excavator? And he's lulling the moon to sleep. So cute. And that brings us to the end of this book. Thank you for joining me for Storytime here at Jasmine's Reading Corner. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And if there are any books you would like me to check out, please email me or contact me through my Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook handles. Until next time, bye! And sweet dreams from the construction site.